Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will see how to set up Terraform on local machine. So Terraform installation is very straightforward. You just have to download the binaries from the Terraform sites and you have to use it in your local machines. So these are the operating system which is supported by Terraform, like Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris, FreeBSD and OpenSSD. So these are all the operating system is supported by Terraform. So this is the basic link from where we will download the Terraform. So if you can see the operating system list here, so based on your requirement you can install. So for if you see the for Mac and Linux, we just have to run the few of the commands on your machine and it will set up the Terraform for you. For Windows environment, what you have to do, you have to download this binary packages. So I have already downloaded the binary package in my local machine. So this is the binary package. So now if you have to run the Terraform, what it basically there is only one requirement. It should this particular executable path should be there. Like for example, if I'll open the command prompt here, if I'll search Terraform, you can see I got the results. But if I'll go back to the different directory, for example, I'll create one new folder here, test, and I'll open the command prompt here. So if I run here Terraform, it's not working because it's not recognize the exe file. So the best practice is what you can do, you can create a one folder in C drive. So what I will do, I'll just copy the exe file and go to my C drive. So here I have created the one folder called executable. So here I can put my all the exe files which is required similar to Terraform, and this particular path I'll edit in my environment variable. So I'll go to PC settings, advanced system settings, environment variable. In the path, basically here we can create new path and we'll edit it. So now to reflect these environment variables, I have to again restart my command prompts. So if I'll again go back to my desktop and the folder which we have created called test. So now from here, now we'll try to run Terraform. Now you can see it's working from this location, and similarly if I'll go back to this particular location where I already have exe file, so it's working. So like this, basically you have to set up Terraform in your local machine. So it's recommended you use some particular folder for all the exe files, and you mention that particular path to the environment variable. So it doesn't matter from where you are running the Terraform or any other similar exe files. So thank you so much for today. See you in next video.